Woo! Okay.
Don't force me, Kale. Do not force me. Try to sneeze, okay?
Alright.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Do it. That's right.
Is it gonna happen again?
Possibility, actually. We're going for round 4.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Going for round 4, Max. Round 4.
Meg says agreed.
Agreed. Ready, go. Go ready, Max. Well, it's 47 degrees. Oh, she's warm outside.
Are you gonna do it again?
Oh, baby. Baby.
Is it gonna happen again?
Is it gonna happen again? Maybe. No, actually, I think I'm. Oh, hold on. Watch out. I can go.
Okay.
Okay, you check these out for tomorrow. Tomorrow. I love you. Tomorrow.
Love you too.
And you're nothing gonna do. Oh. No, I don't think I'm gonna sneeze.